Hey, what's going on, guys? So we got free time today since I got off of work early. We don't have any deliveries yet since it was a holiday yesterday, so I'm still waiting on it for some install videos. So I guess we're just here at the park, and I'm just gonna give like an update on what kind of mods I have so far. Alright, so I guess I'll post, I'll try to make it as detailed as I can. So in random order, let's just start off with the roof spoiler. I think I got this off of eBay. And then we got the rear end spoiler. This is actually my second one. So I bought one off of eBay, and I kind of didn't like it because like everyone had it and it kind of looked like Mr. Pringles from the backside. So I decided to get this one. I think I got this off of HighRevSports.com. It's actually a Yofer spoiler. And then we got the Type R emblems. I got the one in the back, the one in the front, and the one in the steering wheel. I got the install video for that on my channel if you want to go check it out. And then we got the Accord emblem blacked out, which is pretty much the plasti dip. Before I got the Type R emblem, the old emblem was actually plasti dip too, along with the Accord emblem. And also we have the vinyl wrap on the taillights. We got this part blacked out. I think I got it off of eBay. And then this one is actually from Crooks Motorsports, the signal turn light wrap. And then we got the rear diffuser. I think I also got that off of eBay. The red pinstripes are actually from AutoZone. I actually got the whole sides pinstripes along with the front bumper. Alright, so where are we at? Let's see. Oh, so these rear side skirts actually came with the diffuser. And then we got these chrome deletes off of Crooks Motorsports. So we got the this whole thing is from Crooks Motorsports. It's actually a vinyl wrap. It goes through this whole thing from the windows, and then on the sides, those are all vinyl wraps. Basically all the black trims are chrome deletes, along with the one for the wheels. All of them are from Crooks Motorsports. And then we also have the rear end louvers. Those are from Amazon, along with the door handles, the black trim door handles. They're actually just overlays that you put on the door handles. I got them off of Amazon too. The side skirts, these are actually cheap side skirts, the universal ones. I plan on replacing them because they look pretty cheap. It's not that obvious if you're like far away, but if you go pretty close, it's like all uneven on the sides. That's why the pinstripe, the red pinstripes are all looking all whacked out. I don't know if you could see them, but if you go up close in person, you could really tell. Alright, we also got the window visors. They're from eBay as well. I don't know if you can see them. Let's try to go to the other side. Alright, what else do we have? We got the Fender Badge. Got them off of eBay. The calipers, the red calipers, are from I can't remember where I got them from, but they're MGP calipers. I'll post it somewhere here. I forgot where I got it from. And then the one that you can't see is the IBAC springs. So we got lowering springs for it. I think it's finally settling in. I think I've had them for about a month now, maybe. And then all these black lines over here, they're all chrome delete from the Crooks Motorsports. We got some vinyl wrap also for the headlights and the ones on the sides. We blacked them out. They're also from Crooks Motorsports. What else did we put on? So that's the front badge. And then the front bumper. This is also the second one. The first one I got was the Akasaka bumper, but it broke. I think I even have it in my trunk still. So this one is also off of eBay. And then we got the recent video of the Akasaka fog light trim. I got that off of eBay as well. And then I got the ones, the fog light wraps. They're off of eBay as well. I actually got the red ones and the smoked out ones. They're both installed on there. And then I also got the PRL Stage 1 in here. Let me see if I could pop up the trunk real quick. Alright, so there's that PRL Stage 1 intake. So as far as performance mods, this is the only one I have so far, but we are waiting on a delivery of another performance mod, which is practically the best mod you could get for your Honda Accord or Honda car in general. So stay tuned for that. We'll do an install video. I apologize, I didn't realize how loud that could be by the highway. Anyways, this is the inside. I haven't gotten anything done to it yet besides the emblem on the steering wheel, but I am planning on doing some more installs for the interior. So I guess that's it. So I'll give you guys I'll try to do more of an update and probably another install video. See you guys later.